paired samples t-test in SPSS. As you can see, I have the bots survey data file open in SPSS, and we are going to compare your attitudes toward legalizing pot versus less regulation of guns. So I'm going to go to Analyze, Compare Means, Paired Samples t-test. Make the screen a little bit bigger. Move it over here. All right, so over here we're going to select the two variables that we would like to analyze, the two scores that we're comparing. So we have the legalized pot question, and then we have the gun legislation question. I'll select those using the control key, holding down the control key, and then hit the arrow, bring those variables over, and then hit paste, and then highlight and run. And then you'll get 3 tables from SPSS. The tables that you will need most likely are the descriptive statistics table and then the inferential statistics table. So don't worry about this paired sample correlations table. I'm just going to even delete it, take it out. So you'll have the descriptive statistics for each of your scores. So for the marijuana question, we have the mean, standard deviation. For the gun question, we have the mean, standard deviation. And then we have the inferential statistics. So we have our t-value, our degrees of freedom, and then our significance value. You can probably ignore, you probably won't use these numbers at all. So you can just ignore these numbers. Unless you're going to calculate the Cohen's d, the effect size for the mean difference between these means by hand, then you could use this number represents the mean difference between the two means here. So you would take 0.33 and divide by the average of the two standard deviations here. So take the average of 1.63 and 1.88, and then take the mean difference divided by those two numbers, and that will give you Cohen's d, or you can use the Lyon-Morris website that we discussed in class.